Welcome back as we next discuss and demonstrate typical usage procedures. Beginning with spanners, our first consideration is that of correct size. With experience, you'll become used to gauging the required spanner size visually. However, during your training, a good way to begin is to measure the fastener, as demonstrated, across the flats. Then select the appropriate size. Having selected the spanner, see that it fits snugly onto the fastener with little or no slack movement. After much use, we can expect a spanner to become worn and unsafe for further use. Flat spanners, if overstressed, may open up or spread, resulting in a spanner that no longer fits neatly across the flats. It is for this reason we recommend that you select a ring spanner or a socket spanner to turn tight fasteners. When using Allen keys, take the time to clean out any debris from within the recess using an old screwdriver. This way you can be assured that the Allen key will fit deeply and securely into the cap screw head. We turn our attention now to the selection of screwdrivers. The turning force required to drive a machine screw is concentrated at the tip of the screwdriver. The tip must be A, the correct type, and B, the correct size. Further, the tip must be in good condition. In the example of a flat blade, the tip must be flat, and it must be square as viewed from its edge. The tip width must be as close as possible to the width of the screw head, but never wider. Ideally, the thickness of the tip should be such that it fills the screw slot. Selecting a tip that is too small will result in damage both to the tip and the screw head. Tips often end up looking like this, and the result is most often a slip and a lot of frustration. Worn tips on flat screwdrivers can be reshaped by carefully filing or grinding to restore the tool to a safe condition. It is always a good and safe practice to clear out any debris or deposits, such as paint, from a screw slot before trying to use a screwdriver. When you are selecting Phillips-type screwdrivers, the sizing is especially important. Phillips screwdrivers are created in 5 basic sizes or diameters, ranging from size 0 to size 4. From a selection point of view, we must always choose one that most closely matches the size of the cross-headed slot. If the tip is too large, it will not grip and will slip. A too small tip will also slip. The correct selection is a tip that engages the slot fully, as demonstrated here. Phillips screwdrivers are not repairable, and when worn, must be replaced. These tips have become worn and damaged, primarily because they have slipped during use. After the break, we shall discuss the safe, practical use of popular hand tools.